Tamil ILSAN from South Korea. We are at RobotWorld 2024 Kintex. Here we are demonstrating a 360-degree bird's eye view using our Steadicam 31. So this is a camera setup. We are using 4 cameras using Sony ISX031 image sensor. And this particular image sensor is an automotive grade and it has LFM HDR and specifically designed for ADAS application. This is connected to NVIDIA Orin AGX dev kit. So this is an image stitched view, 360-degree view. So on the right side you could see 4 different images, and on the left side you could see the 360-degree stitched image. Thank you.